Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream.
Welcome back, Life is a Mission TV family. Welcome back. Welcome to another video. Why people, I have a video here sound like a drama video. And when I say drama, I want to sit and listen to this video. It might sound like it's drama, but it seems to be reality. And why I said it seems to be reality, you know, some people have the privilege to call in on a show and you know have the privilege to say certain things will happen to them in their life, what them do in their life. Some of them will come and make up stories, you know, just to give a laugh or stuff like that. Or they will hear another man's story and pick up that man's story and come with it and fix it for them with it. But the thing is, this sound a way where I have it as reality, in a sense where a landlord having some problem with her tenants, going into some arrangement in renting them the place, and when the time come and them to come out, you know. So when the time come for them come out of the house, it's like they are refusing from come out of the house. So basically, the landlord take some personal evasion of action. Me have to start laugh. Cause I go see when uno a laugh, when uno hear this. Oh, some of you people might hear this already. Yes, some of you people might hear this already because the association with a certain platform. When I give you the clue to not hear it. You know, uno might hear this already, but for uno hear it or who hear already, it was a while. So basically, uno go laugh. Someone might not take it for joke, but and someone probably want to beat down on the landlord, which me is with the landlord 120% what she do. You understand? Yes. So this is a case where, as I said, the landlord takes some personal actions in getting these people out of them place. So, me now go tell you what the landlord do. I want to just listen to the video and tell me what you think in the comment section down right there. So, just before me get into the video, I want to know what they do. So easy. Like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. And remember, as you hit the video, you just hit the thumbs up. So you know about tell me say you forgot to hit the thumbs up. As you hit the video, same time, double press thumbs up. And please remember to watch the ads. Watching the ads, that's how the channel gain a revenue, so you can help the channel to grow and gain a revenue, so I can help to give back to the needy and not the greedy. As I said, I might can buy a pound of rice. There's a whole heap of man out there can buy half pound. Some can buy none at all. And if I see someone in need, I will assist. But if you're in a greed, don't look for me to assist you. Because there's many out there. When you see them, you might see them look like them in a need. Because probably the position with them in a. At the time when you see them, sometimes somebody might come forward to you asking for assistance and them look like them really in need. But if you just to know the levels, some of them have so many people assisting them in the need with them in. So it don't make them be somebody in need anymore because they have a lot of assistance. You understand? But when you buck up on somebody who is in need and don't have any assistance Today somebody might pass and give them a patty. Today somebody might pass and give them a food. Just randomly. They have no stable assistance coming from no source, no strangers, no family, no entity. You understand? But you have people who's in need, where have an entity I look out for them on a daily basis. Some family members I look out for them on a daily basis, are strangers who make it a priority to make sure these set of people eat a plate of food daily, whether twice a day or twice a day. You understand? So those people, I couldn't consider them needy. They would be greedy because them have people that look out for them already, despite the position with them in. But people who's in that same position or worse have nobody looking out for them more than random people just pass and them say, beg you $1 no, beg you some food no. That's it. So those are the people. And when I say that, I don't mean I go that deep, but just to give an example. So we look out for needy people and not greedy people. And then you have the people them will definitely have it already. I mean, I talk about sound-minded people now, Because even people will see you give away something. And them will tell you, say, some of them will say it not joke, and you know what joke them make. Some of them say it not joke, but them serious. Them wouldn't mind you come a month time and give them a bag of grocery too. And they in the position can buy more than a bag of grocery. But them just see something I give it, and them just feel like say them for in it because I give it and a freeness. But it's not for you. It is for the needy. You are a greedy if you want to take this. You find yourself amongst the greedy. Anyway, people, I could get back as I say. As I hear me say, just support the channel by like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the channel. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy, you all see that they is very giving. And they are giving from a small business that they are not really making much of at this time, because the business has not started to. The business does not get half the ground then. And I think this year is the second year of them starting that business. But them still see it within themselves to give back from the little that they have. Whether them gain it from through the business or from a 9 to 5 or whatsoever, they still choose to give back. So I just want to subscribe to them channel. One of the data is there in the door of Life with Gabby and Chevy YouTube channel. Give them a subscription, please and thanks, and support their business overall, which is Charmed and Trends. You can go on Instagram and you find the business page, Charmed _and_Trends. Just go into the DM, look on the page, anything you like, you can get it personalized to your own liking, and you just order. Please remember, shipping is, you have to pay for the shipping. So if you are supported or support, but I feel like say too, you see a tumbler or a wine glass or something where you like over there and value $30, you're going to just pay $30. You will have to pay for shipping also. And as I said, very good customer service, so you can speak and come to the best amicable agreement and prices and whatsoever. Alright, just go over and support. You see what they come on board and do again for this basic school that I turn over a fridge to, I donated a fridge to. Yes, so they are willing in giving back. And it's good for support people like these who are willing to give back to the needy. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Remember, the Cash App is there also, $ Charms and Trends. I'm using their Cash App temporarily because my own is down. The Life is a Mission TV is down. I don't know if I forgot to change it or whatsoever. Still trying to see if the glitches can sort out and stuff. But if you want to give me so I can help to give back to the needy also, that is it. $ Charms and Trends. If you want to reach out to me, if you don't use Cash App, Zelle, Del or anything, you can call me at 876-221-9789. The month end is up on us again, so the month end give back is coming up. I have identified 2 persons. I don't know if I can, reach out to the 2 persons this month, but as I hear me say, the Starman, I want to reach out to him. Trust me. I want to reach, despite him just Kumoji. I want to tell you, the same person that you see me advertise the juice stable, she was there as a witness. Him pull up on me since week. Friday. Yeah, Friday. Him pull up on me Friday. I don't know if I told me to him, said, no worry man, I do a thing for you, I'll do just Kumoji. Him say, alright man, alright. But I don't know, a mountain. Alright man. I don't know if true me gonna tell him that. He pull up on me Friday with a sad story, sir. So I just assist him. And this is what I say, I assist him in a way where I never draw off a camera. God, that no need camera. I just assist him with what I assist him with. You understand? But when I come out here and I do something towards content, to create a content for the channel, so the channel can gain a revenue. I don't want nobody, cause that this is honest. Most of these people stay. Them feel like when them see content creator out there doing something and creating content, giving somebody something, it's content we are create. You understand? So the world can also see what we are doing to support the channel, so the channel can gain a revenue, so we can continue to give back from what we gain from the channel. You understand? A small channel like my one, I do have a lot of people who will reach out to me. I have a few. I don't have $1 million person who are going to reach out to me and send me $1,000 US, $500 US, but I have people who willingly give what they have from them art and what they can afford. Yes, I do have a few people, and it's not like consistently month to month they do. Sometimes this one will drop in, next month if they don't see them, the one they drop in, because everybody have their own responsibility. But whether I get something or not, my priority is to go in a mile little much and do what I can do. As I always say, probably I can find one 5,000. So if somebody come on board, it can make up the basket to $10,000 basket. You understand? Or probably can make 2 or 3 baskets based on how it come. But you will always see me do it once I find that needy person, whether somebody send $1 or not, because I am not running a charity. You understand? I just see it fit for give back. And as I say, most people on the platform might not, and everybody have $1 can send come. But I'm still grateful for those people who watch and support the channel. That's why I don't want a fan, I want a supporter. You watch, you like the video, you watch the ads, most importantly, and that helps to give the channel a revenue. And from that revenue, that's all. When me get a little money a month time, you can take out and do something. So you still play your part. You understand? Whether you can give and you not give, or you not have it for give, but you still play your part. It's only that if you naturally have it, can give and you give a thing, it would help. You know, if you make an extra pound of flour go in a little basket here, or 2 more baskets can make, or 1 more basket can make. Just simple that. So bless up to the supporters them. I don't really want no fans, because you know you need supporters to support you in whatever way. Alright? Anyway, we are getting another video here. Alright, I'm going to clue. This video is coming from over Planka Shop. Yeah man, the video comes from over Planka Shop. So, I want to just stay tuned for it and tell me what you think. If the landlord do the right thing or should do the wrong thing. Make a go no a clue. The landlord want to get out the people them. She know say the tenant afraid of rat. So she go buy 24 rat. Because them have rat you can buy, as based on what I understand, you can go to the pet shop and get rats for buy. Because you have people who raise snake and certain animals who eat rats. So you can buy it, but you have a license to buy it. And I think each person only can must get 12. So she and her son did go or something like so. So him buy 12 and she buy 12, so she get 24 rat. And she just take the back window and walk me the back window and let go the 24 rat in the place. You know, say tenant want move instant. So who not hear the story, who hear it might want to refresh on the memory. And as me just say, support, just support whether you hear it already or not. Just listen, support the channel by watching, like and watch the ads. So stay tuned for that. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. Love you. All the new subscribers who is coming over, just help the channel to grow. Share the channel on your WhatsApp, your Facebook page. And when you share it, you caption it, please subscribe to this channel. So you know, just like you share something for somebody to watch, so whether them want to watch it or not, you caption it so you beg them to subscribe. Alright? Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching again. I'm out.
Show someone just how much they mean to you. Our bracelet stacks add that perfect oomph to any outfit, and our custom tumblers are the perfect way to show love to the people you cherish. Choose your color, your style, add your personal touch, like the day you first met, or the first song you danced to together with your boo. Be as corny as you want, unapologetically. Every day is the perfect day to spread love. Order your personalized gift today by visiting www.charmedandtrends.shop. We promise you'll love your gift of a lifetime. Scouts Honor.
So people, you have to switch to Studio 2. You have to come out of Studio 1 and come to Studio 2. You understand? Because a little background noise, music and something, one birthday party. So Studio 2 is where me there. So we're not going to see the video, you know. We're not going to hear the actual audio. So let me adjust this out a little bit so you can make sure you hear. So when you listen now, Landlord by rat to get out Tennant.
I have 3 properties, right, Auntie? Yes. Living out and I rent out 2 of them. I bought those 2 from the state foreclosure auction, right? Yes. I rent 2 Jamaican family. And the woman don't want to pay me my rent and she don't want to leave. Yeah, then. She don't want to pay your rent and she don't want to leave. It's the one, because it's a 2-family house. I rent upstairs and I rent downstairs. It's the one on the first floor, a big chat. And then us by the pet shop, I buy some rat. And it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Well, I don't hear what you say. You don't talk loud, because Auntie don't hear well. What you say you do? You say me have a son at the pet shop, I buy a rat and cat. All the pet stores say, if you don't have a license, can I get more than 12 rats? Hold on, so you can't go to America to buy a rat now? Yes, because you feed a rat to snakes. Certain animals feed. Mercy, God.
Ah, you sit there, the woman have to go through to get out the Tennant. Boy, you see how she wait that the man in there and see how much rat she afraid of rat. Your ear well done, you're too terrible. Your ear. I just repeat your one, the woman repeat. Mosquito, man.
Yes, I think snake eat rats, so they do sell the rats. But you cannot buy too much if you don't have a pet license.
Oh.
So me only get 12, and my son get 12, and I flood the house with them. After question.
Go see when that the woman they wake up. Rat run up and all.
No, New York. I mean, if I Jamaican people, they go the rat pan. Yes, but the girl downstairs, she prayed a rat, so me figure that out and say, come out. Jesus Christ, have mercy, what a plan.
Then suppose you get up on the rest of Tennant then. Because she find out to the girl afraid of rat.
She wasn't supposed to stay there past a year because I told her I'm going to use that same building and it's going to be my daycare. So you can't stay past a year. She said, okay, problem. A year comes, she didn't move. And anti-pandemic, I need my money. I need her out. And she have given a big chat and she don't pay my money. So you just deal with anything. So how you end up catch up back the rat them out there? No, I get terminated to get them out.
Hey, that's not bad enough. That's so, oh, you end up get out what the rat them out there.
I'm going to the upper Pier Road. Miss Pier Road. I'm the ball and I do the live. You had the first neighbor and why would be a planka shop going on in that direction? The lady saying go buy a rat to take out the Jamaican tenant them. Why we do? No, sir. Then the talk is story again. Let me see if me observe it good. Tell me from the front.
Anyway, why I tell you, life is a mission, people. Why, Dada, you're terrible, you know, Dada said, tell me the story there again. Anybody that want to hear the story there again? Because at this same time, you don't wonder how she come up with that, but she know the woman afraid of rat. So she just, one rat will no probably run her, you know. No. Because she see one rat, she probably can cause someone to get rid of it, no care how scared she is. But when she see one upon zoop, like she upon one highway, one four-way highway, where you have 2 lanes up at top, and she, when she pass on the bottom, she hear car up at top, upon zoop, and she down at bottom and hear car zoop. And so the rat them would have zoop, and she realize I know one rat. She no want to stay. Now you hear the woman say, all the pressure her if you come out of her place, she never want to come out. After she agree to where the woman tell her, say you only can stay for 1 year, because after a year, she must want to turn this into a daycare. And this is how some people stay. Them want your money for borrow, them tell you all kind of things, them go down on them knee like them there at the halter. And them promise you say, yes man, you'll get it back X time. You say you give them a little blind if you go and use your space here, and you tell them, say, watch you, make sure me get it back by such time. Yes man, me come out before that man. And all when you're ready, and give them all extension, them still no want to come out. And probably to all this woman your son is like the people, them never want to come out of her place. So she have to think out of the box. And realize, say, them afraid of rat. The woman afraid of rat. So she does quick thinking. Make her go to the pet store. We go buy some rat. We can't get much rat fit buy because we don't have a pet license. But you can, it seems like you don't have a pet license, you're eligible, can buy 12 rat. You understand? Because you can have your personal pet in, but you just don't have a license to buy a vast amount of the rat them. You understand? So basically, she can't get 12, the son can't get 12. Probably she carry 2 more, somebody should I get 48. But she never needs so much. The 12 do the work. Yeah man, let them go make them run up and down like a one highway, one rat highway. Soup. Every time she see one, she see her next one. She must want to come out. And so said, so don't you come out. Anyway, we come to the end of the video. I want to go in the comment and tell me one thing. If what the woman do, she shouldn't do it, or want to agree, say she should do it. Because see me, so easy. Me agree. Remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support this channel. Help this channel to grow. I am putting in the work to help this channel to grow, but I can't do it alone without Uno. It can't grow. Alright? I want to just have to like and share. Watch the ads. Share the channel in our WhatsApp group, Facebook group. Anyway, want to have any groups, share it, and don't just share it. Caption it. Please subscribe to this channel. I am asking you. So them know I ask them to subscribe. You know, just share something with them. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. The cash app is also there. $ Charms and Trend. When you give me, I take the gift and give to the needy. And please remember, continue. Me now stop me. I continue to remind you, go support Charms and Trends. That's charmed _and_ trends on Instagram. Business page, you see everything over there. Anything you want and where you see over there, you can get it personalized to your liking. If you want your picture upon it, your name, anything, just drop it in the DM for further information. Very good customer service. And if you want, you can go straight to the website, charmsandtrends.shop. Peace out. Blessings.